Hi everyone, Dr. Ray from Pain Free and Fit. Today, a great video for those of you with knee pain due to swollen knees, meniscus problems, degenerative arthritic knees. We're going to go over how to bend and move without pain. Hope you enjoy. It all begins with alignment of the knee. If the knee joint is centered directly over the ankle, we have a good biomechanical stress that's symmetrical going through all the knee structures. If the knee, however, is moved inward into a valgus or knock-knee posture, this will compress the outer aspect of the knee joint and overstretch the inner, which causes injury to either side. If the knee is positioned so it is to the outside the ankle, this compresses the inside of the knee joint and stretches the outside. Ideally, we want to check during all bending motions, whether we're squatting or lunging, that knee is directly centered over the ankle and not to the out or inner aspects. The position of the heel has a lot to do with this. Those who have lower arches or a tendency to lean more on the inside of their heel than the outer will find that the knee follows that motion into valgus. On the other hand, those who bear more weight on the outer aspect of their heel, or their arch comes up into supination, this will help to drive the knee to the outside. So while you're bending the knee, make sure that the foot is balanced on all 4 points, the 2 back corners of the heel and the 2 front corners of the forefoot, to give the knee a symmetrical, balanced alignment. Rotation of the knee joint is another alignment problem that causes pain while bending the knee. Typically, the toes should point in the same direction as the kneecap while we're bending. That means both in a straight ahead fashion or in a more outward fashion, or possibly even an inward fashion. That knee should always track or face wherever the toes point. A common postural and movement habit problem that causes knee pain while bending, however, is when the shin and the foot are turned outward while the knee is still facing ahead. Here, when we bend, there is a rotary or twisting stress that is applied to the knee joint, causing pain. By correcting the alignment of the kneecap so it follows the direction of the toes, this stress can be reduced. Forward knee posture is another typical problem that causes pain while bending. The knee has less stress on it typically when it is kept back and centered with a vertical shin over the ankle. However, when the knee drives forward over the toes, there is more of a compression under the kneecap, as well as other anterior forces that shear the knee joint, causing pain. Finally, kneeling or placing pressure on the kneecap while bending the knee also induces a good deal of pressure underneath the kneecap. This can be reduced by placing a roll underneath the shin. And while the knee bends, the kneecap is now away from the site of compression. Although there's still main knee joint compression between the upper leg bone and the lower, the tibia and the femur, the kneecap pressure is reduced by allowing it to float in the air while bending and performing activities. Keeping these knee bending tips in mind while you're playing sports, working out at the gym, or during your daily activities at home can go a long way to preventing future pain and aggravation to your knee pain, whether it be due to a swollen knee, arthritic knee, or a meniscus or patellofemoral syndrome. The tips in this video have been shown over many years to help many different varieties of knee pain. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Let's share this valuable information with others. Questions or comments, write in. As always, I'll do my best to answer. And remember, if you're looking for a great program to analyze your body mechanics and muscle imbalances, to try to figure out the underlying mechanical root causes of your knee pain, and how to develop a systemized custom program to self-rehab your knee pain, check out our knee pain healing exercise program available at painfreeandfit.com. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on knee bending with knee pain.